Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here on the Euro YouTube channel, where we teach you how to make your life easier, cleaner, and more efficient with our premium products. It is another episode of Bang for Your Buck, where we test out some of our popular products to see if they're worth your hard-earned cash. Even if you are a professional detailer or a weekend car enthusiast, then you know that not all microfiber towels are created the same. That's why we're going to be breaking down the Detailer's Preference 16 by 16 inch 350 GSM ultrasonic cut microfiber towels to see if they truly are a bang for your buck or just another towel in your drawer. These towels come in a 12 pack, and each towel measures 16 by 16 inches with a 350 GSM microfiber blend. Having this GSM puts them in a sweet spot. They're not overly thin or overly plush, making them versatile for multiple detailing tasks. The big standout here are the ultrasonic cut edges. No stitch borders, no tags, just clean edgeless towels. This dramatically reduces the risk of scratches and swirl marks on your car's paint, which is critical when you're working on delicate surfaces like freshly polished paint, black piano trim, and chrome. The microfiber glides smoothly across the surface, and because there are no hard edges, you're not dragging anything abrasive across your paint. If you've ever ruined a finish with a low GSM towel, this matters, and you definitely know what I'm talking about. These 350 GSM microfiber towels hold up to 7 times its weight in water, and when you use them in real life, you can definitely feel it. One towel can handle multiple panels during drying or rinseless washes without becoming oversaturated. Whether you're drying after a wash or wiping down with a quick detailing product, they pull moisture fast and evenly. No streaking, no chasing water around the panel. These towels shine when it comes to versatility. They're perfect for wax and sealant removal, buffing, polish residue, interior wipe down, glass cleaning, waterless or rinseless washes, etc. You can also use them dry to attract dust or slightly dampened to get a deeper cleaning without the need of harsh chemicals. They're machine washable and built to last. Even after dozens of wash cycles, they hold their softness and absorbency. No unraveling, no lint, no degradation. For a 12 pack, that durability adds some serious long-term value, especially if you rotate towels for different detailing tasks. So, are the Detailer's Preference 350 GSM microfiber towels a bang for your buck? Absolutely, especially if you care about paint safety, durability, and versatility. You're getting professional level performance without paying those premium boutique prices. So, if you're building or upgrading your detailing towel collection, then be sure to invest in these amazing towels. If you want to grab these towels, be sure to check the description box below. It's going to have our links to our Amazon store and website. Like this video and subscribe to our channel, turning on the notification bell, and be sure to leave a comment on what kind of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow us on our social media, and I'll catch you in the next Bang for Your Buck. Bye.